In this video, we will analyze in 3 minutes a common issue in split-type air conditioners, where the compressor motor starts normally but tends to shut off after a few seconds. In most cases, the compressor motor doesn't run for even a minute. It's important to note that although the fan may continue operating, the compressor motor does not. Next, we will show you the steps to follow when this issue occurs. 1. First, turn on the unit normally and have a clamp meter ready to measure the current consumption. Place the clamp on one of the power supply cables of the unit. Measuring the current is crucial as it helps us rule out other possible anomalies. For this diagnosis, we will assume that the current consumption is normal. 2. To validate the measured consumption, you can use the nameplate of the unit provided by the manufacturer, which indicates the regular value. We check the amperage and confirm that it was within the required range according to the manufacturer. However, after approximately 40 seconds of operation, the compressor shuts off. 3. Since the current consumption is normal, it's unlikely that the cause is an electrical or mechanical failure that would cause the electronic board or a safety system to disconnect the compressor. Therefore, we can suspect that the compressor shuts off due to a false alarm or a faulty safety device. For in this case, the reason why the compressor motor runs only for 20, 30, or 40 seconds before shutting off is due to a faulty thermal protector or Klickson. Under normal conditions, the Klickson allows the electrical current to flow to the compressor. If the temperature or current increases too much, the bimetal strip heats up and bends, which interrupts the electrical circuit and stops the compressor. After the compressor shuts off and the Klickson cools down, the bimetal returns to its original shape, closing the circuit and allowing the compressor to turn on again. This process of turning on and off can repeat if the cause of the overheating is not resolved. In this case, since the electrical current and temperature are normal, the Klickson disconnects the compressor because it is in poor condition, and the disconnection is not due to any fault, but to irregularities in the protection device itself. 5. The next step is to disconnect the unit and cut off the power to handle it safely and avoid an electric shock. It is recommended to take pictures of the electrical part to ensure no issues when reconnecting the wires. 6. Once we have disconnected the electrical part, we will remove the front of the unit to better access the compressor motor and the motor terminal block. We will use a screwdriver to remove the terminal block cover, which will allow us to access both the terminal block and the thermal protector. We will take this thermal protector to our supplier to obtain one that is exactly the same with the same characteristics. 7. Once we have the new thermal protector, we will install it in the same way we removed the previous one. Again, it is helpful to take pictures if you have no experience, to avoid complications when reinstalling the thermal protector. 8. Connect the common wire to the protector and the wire that comes out of the protector to the common line of the compressor motor in the same order as the previous thermal protector was connected. 9. With the thermal protector and the terminal block cover in place, we connect the ammeter and proceed to turn the unit on again. Here you can see that both the compressor and the fan have started correctly, thus resolving the issue with the thermal protector.